We're Kristen and Sam, and we are a travel couple that also works as nurses while on the road. Last video, you saw us dog sledding in Breckenridge, but for this video, we are putting more action to our adventure in snow tubing at Copper Mountain. Hey guys, for this video, we are at Copper Mountain and we are doing snow tubing. So it should be interesting. I think you just get in like a little inner tube and they sling you down the mountain. So
after coming to Copper, we're definitely gonna have to snowboard here because
it's
freaking
beautiful.
Awesome, dude. This I thought Loveland and A Basin were cool. This is way cooler because it's got like an actual village with it.
Yeah,
and the mountain looks super sick.
Really nice. Yeah, so we're gonna have a fun time tonight. We start at 5 p.m. so it may get dark while we're tubing.
We started going backwards and then we were sideways.
10 people backwards is the best one so far. What do you think about the 10 people backwards?
It's a little wild, a little icy.
We went
sure
fast.
You got your sunglasses or some goggles?
Oh yeah, because I didn't bring any.
You'll get it all in your elbows. But it's fun.
It's cool. It's cool. Here we go. Last run. Woo! Woo-hoo!
That one.
Tubing at sunset. What'd you think about tubing?
It was way more fun than I thought it would be. We ended up just going in a whole group of 10 people in a straight line, going forwards and backwards, and we just slid fast.
Yeah. We went to Copper Mountain. Super fun. Peace out. See you later.